Hi, welcome to Pharma Instinct Clinical Research Interview Question Preparation. This quiz is based on new Clinical Trial Rules 2019. You will get 5 seconds to pick the correct answer. The first question is: what characterizes a subsequent new drug? Here are your options. A. A drug already approved in the country. B. A drug with modified claims approved by CLA. C. Any new drug discovered outside India. D. A drug with sustained release form approved by CLA. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. A drug with modified claims approved by CLA. A subsequent new drug refers to a drug that is not a new drug but is a modification of a drug already approved by the Central Licensing Authority, CLA, with respect to its claims, dosage form, route of administration, or its strength. This modification may include changes in the therapeutic indications, dosage regimen, dosage form, strength, or route of administration of the drug. Next question is: what regulatory control exists for observational/non-interventional studies of a drug that is not a new drug? Here are your options. A. No regulatory action is possible. B. No approval from CLA is required. C. Regulatory action may be taken if the study is not truly non-interventional. D. Approval from CLA is required, but only after study initiation. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. C. Regulatory action may be taken if the study is not truly non-interventional. For non-interventional studies, typically, regulatory approval may not be required before initiation. However, if a study is claimed to be non-interventional, but is found to involve interventions or actions that impact the well-being of participants, regulatory action may be taken. It's essential for researchers to ensure that a study classified as non-interventional genuinely adheres to this classification to avoid regulatory issues. The next question is: in case of a change in ownership of a BA/B study center, how soon should it be informed to CLA? Here are your options. A. 15 days. B. 30 days. C. 45 days. D. 60 days. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. 30 days. If there is any change in the constitution or ownership of the bioavailability and bioequivalence study center, the center should intimate about the change in writing to the CLA within 30 days of such change. The next question is: how long is a BA/B study center required to maintain data, records, and documents related to the study? Here are your options. A. 2 years after completion. B. 3 years after completion. C. 5 years after completion. D. 1 year after completion. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. 5 years after completion. A BA/B study center is required to maintain data, records, and other documents related to the conduct of the BA/B study in human beings for a period of 5 years. The next question is: what information should be on the label of a new drug or investigational new drug manufactured under CT11/CT14/CT15? A. Only batch number and date of manufacture. B. Name, batch number, date of manufacture, and purpose of manufacture. C. Name, batch number, date of manufacture, and storage conditions. D. Only name and date of manufacture. Your time starts now. The correct option is C. Name, batch number, date of manufacture, and storage conditions. According to the provided information, the label of a new drug or investigational new drug manufactured under CT11/CT14/CT15 should bear several pieces of information, including the name, batch number, date of manufacture, and storage conditions. The next question is, on which form number does the Ethics Committee apply for registration in India? Here are your options. A. CT02. B. CT03. C. CT01. D. CT05. Your time starts now. The correct option is C. CT01. An ethics committee constituted under Rule 16 shall be required to register with the authority designated by the central government in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Department of Health Research under these rules, for which an application shall be made in Form CT01. The next question is, which application form is used for granting permission to perform a clinical trial? Here are your options. A. CT02. B. CT03. C. CT01. D. CT04. Your time starts now. The correct option is D. CT04. Form CT04 grants permission to perform a clinical trial in India. The next question is, who can file an application with CLA for the grant of permission to manufacture new drugs for sale or distribution? Here are your options. A. Any individual with a business plan. B. A person/organization with a valid drug manufacturing license. C. Only multinational pharmaceutical companies. D. Researchers conducting clinical trials. Your time starts now. The correct option is B. A person/organization with a valid drug manufacturing license. Only a person or organization holding a valid drug manufacturing license for any drug issued under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, 1940, and Rules, 1945 can file an application for the grant of permission to manufacture new drugs for sale or distribution. The next question is, what is the correct formula of compensation in case of SAE, death, related to clinical trial? Here are your options. A. B multiplied F multiplied R divided by 99.37. B. B multiplied F multiplied R divided by 97.37. C. B multiplied F divided by 97.37. D. There is no such formula. Your time starts now. The correct option is A. B multiplied F multiplied R divided by 99.37. B is the base amount, fixed amount decided by the Drug Controller General of India. F is the age factor, based on the age of the subject. R is the risk factor. The next question is, in how many days compensation needs to be paid by the sponsor? Here are your options. A. 7 days. B. 15 days. C. 30 days. D. 45 days. Your time starts now. The correct option is C. 30 days. In case of clinical trial-related injury or death, the sponsor or his representative shall pay the compensation as per the order of the DCGI within 30 days of the receipt of such order. Thank you for staying till the last. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Remember to press the bell icon and also comment your score down below.